Welcome. It's time for SummerQuest. This is the season that invites us to explore in a new way, tapping into the energy of the heat rising, of play. It invites us to return to something that we've known or something that we've rubbed up against. Experiences that wait for us on the journey. And a quest is a journey. A quest is a long journey that is inspired by yearning, by questions, by mystery. So on this summer quest, as we step towards the solstice and begin to explore the 8 gates, we also peel off those last layers of who we have been. And we welcome new parts of self, new expressions, new voice, new energies to meet us, to quest with us. So consider this summer as being a time of opening, of exploration, of seeking, of finding, tapping into energies that have been forgotten, disused, relegated to childhood, and bring them back into this time, this place, this quest. Let this solstice mark something that is brand new, something that is being activated, a promise that is being whispered on the wind, that is inviting you to explore in a new way, with art and with life. Each of the Mythos Journey quests are an invitation to explore using art as one of the lenses, all kinds of art. Art making as life making, ritual art, walking with your bare feet on cool grass, dipping into a pond. You may find that the quest happens outside of time and space, in the imaginal realm, during dream time, during art making, that altered state of exploring. But most often, our journey work translates right back into our life. And you may start to find that the quest, this summer quest, each of your 8 gates that holds properties, qualities, magic, impacts your life at every threshold. So join us. Come play in SummerQuest. Explore through art and life. Engage depth work through journeying. Gather with women from all over the world who are also speaking this language of the soul. Bring any kind of art making to bear on this quest. And I hope you'll travel with us. As we move towards solstice, mark each day with a question. This is Caracelo, and thank you for joining me.